If I was to ask you one serious question, would you answer honestly? Do you ever give up? And I think a lot of us would say, I never give up. I'm a trooper, I'm a fighter. But think about all those times that you went to go kiss the girl and didn't. Or to stand up in the boardroom, in the meeting, and say that one thing that's been on your mind. Or to be the dumbest person in the room, or to feel like it, and to tell those that act so smart that I'm not quite understanding what you're saying, just so you can understand, so you can put your 2 cents on the table. We're not going to talk about the elephant in the room. We're going to talk about the demons in the dark. Today, let's talk about fear. Okay, so the last time I went up a dirt road or a dirt mountain was back in July of 2020. Broke some ribs, and I just remember that moment, right up to the point where I was about to go off the cliff. Fear was pounding through me. Adrenaline, actually, not so much fear at that point. The fear was all the temptation of not doing what I wanted to do. And when I crashed and I broke some ribs, it wasn't that stopped me. It was fear. It was fear to keep going up the mountain. Instead, I was willing to take the other hill to get to lunch. Fear does some weird things, for sure. It doesn't necessarily stop you in your tracks, it just diverts you. The reality is, you gotta know what you want. And what you want has to be so clear in your mind that you're willing to do whatever it takes to never give up. I wasn't ready to conquer mountains then, but I'm getting ready to conquer mountains now. And that's the goal. So here I am, trying to approach fear, getting the practice in. All it takes is a purpose and an action within an environment. And that's all I need to do. So the environment, Carnegie. The purpose, conquer mountains. The action, face fear.